In today's easy tutorial, we'll learn how to draw a rose flower from the word you, or as I like to call it, a love flower. Drawing time. Let's have a lot of fun together. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Give us a big thumbs up.
Aw, so cute.
Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Pink.
Wow!
Mix it up, mix it up. Give us your like. Don't be shy, color high. Green. Color, color, color. Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Smash that like button now.
Aw, so cute.
Hit that like button now. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.